So here students, before going to the balance sheet, we have not done the income and expenditure surplus amount, how to calculate. So to calculate the surplus, you have to make the total of both the columns. You will add this here 72,000 plus 11,000 plus 25,000. If you add, you will get 1,08,000. That is the highest amount you will write in both the side. So 1,08,000 you write here. 1,08,000 you will write here. Fine. Then from this amount, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ amount ಅನ್ನು minus ಮಾಡಿ. 1,08,000 minus 3,000 minus 2,000 minus 11,500 minus 10,000 minus 10,000 minus 6,500 minus 28,800. That will give you 18,500. This is your surplus. Fine? Yes. Now let's move on to the balance sheet. To solve the balance sheet, student, write the heading balance sheet as on March 31st, 2018. Yes, the format you know, liabilities amount rupees, assets amount rupees. Now, to write the balance sheet, students, what we would do, we would always compare the question ಅಲ್ಲಿ balance sheet ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ that we used to match and see. But here in this question, you see balance sheet is not given. Nor opening balance sheet ಬಗ್ಗೆ capital fund ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರಾ? No. Here see it is tournament fund. Tournament fund is different, okay? Capital fund ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು. So we will just continue with the format, right? Capital fund. Opening balance. Opening balance, nothing is there. So write nil anta bariri. Fine. Next, I have always told your student, you have to keep this in your mind. Capital fund, you will always add your surplus. You will add your life membership fees, then donation, then entrance fees. So add surplus. What is this surplus? From this your income and expenditure, what you have solved now. This 18,500. Add it, write it. So 18,500. Then add your life membership fees. From where the amount? The question it is given. Life membership fees 40,000. So write here 40,000. Yes. Next one. They have told, clearly they have told, donation and entrance fees capitalized. So donation entrance fees, both the amount you take here. See, I am writing donation 2 lakh, entrance fees 1 lakh. So when you add this all 4 items, you will get 3,58,500. Yes, this is the amount you should get. Okay, write this in inner column, add it and put here. Now you will do your tournament fund. Tournament fund andre, it is a fund, it's a liability, it's a money you have it. Okay, fund, building fund yavattu you have to take here. So what is this tournament fund? 30,000. Yes, allinda, okay, first you write tournament fund 30,000. Then what we have missed here? Tournament expense. Expense andre ಖರ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಫಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್. ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 30,000 ಇಂದ 20,000 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ 20,000 ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ 20,000. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು 10,000. Fine? Yes. What did I do, students? I will tell once again. Tournament fund 30,000 minus tournament expenses. ಈ ಫಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಇಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 10,000. Next, outstanding salary. Always outstanding salary will always come in your liability. Yes, so write outstanding salary 2,000. From where is the amount? See here, outstanding salary. Yeah. Next, subscription received in advance. Always please just keep it in your head. Outstanding salary, subscription received in advance is always your liability, right? 3,000. Fine? Once again I will tell, outstanding salary. Salary is an expense. Expense will come in your liability. Subscription received in advance andre enu? It is the money ನೀವು next year ಇದು ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So that is your liability, isn't it? It's your liability. So you'll write here. So your liability is done. Now to write the asset, student, ಈಗ what to follow? Don't worry, you have to just follow ಈ payments ಅನ್ನು follow ಮಾಡೋಣ. Salary leave, this is done. So telephone charges is done. Games is done. Sports material, yes, right. Sports material amount is how much? 20,000, write it. Sports material, so 20,000, write the amount 20,000. Less ಏನಿದೆ? Depreciation. Depreciation you have done. From where to see the depreciation? See, just turn your income expenditure. What was the depreciation amount? Yes, 11,500 you will write here. So less 11,500 kottidre 8,500 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Yes. Okay. Next one. What is there? Question C. Sports material building. So building amount ಏನಿದೆ here? 2 lakh. Right here. Building. See here I am writing 2 lakh. Less depreciation. Depreciation amount ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? Yes. Check your income expenditure. E amount. Building 20,000. Yes. Amount annu write here. 20,000. So when you deduct, it will give you 1,80,000. Isn't it? Yes. Next, what is there in the question? See here. Building aitu. Now it is furniture. Furniture 30,000. So write it. See, furniture 30,000. Less depreciation. How to charge depreciation? Check here. Depreciation in here. Furniture idu. Yes, 3,000. E amount. So you write here. 3,000. When you deduct, use your calculator, 27,000 ಆಗ್ತದೆ minus ಮಾಡಿ. After that ಏನಿದೆ? Students, see the question. Furniture item, office expenses you have taken. Investment 1 lakh. Please write here. Investment 1 lakh. Yes. Next ಏನಿದೆ? Balance carried down. This is your, yes, it's your cash. Right? Cash 53,000. Don't write cash in hand or bank. We don't know what it is. So just cash you write. Yes? Okay. Now always outstanding subscription is your current asset. So write that here. This amount 5,000. Outstanding subscription andre this is the amount nimge sikkbekagide. This is the amount you will receive in the future, but you have not yet received yet, but you will receive. Adu onthara asset nimge. Members ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಅಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಫುಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 3,73,500. Now I have added all this amount. You will also get 3,73,500. That means the answer is correct. Okay. Thank you.